back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you a couple ways to style knotless hair. A couple ways to show you, oh my god. I'll be showing you guys a couple ways to wear your hair in knotless braids. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. Hey you guys, I don't know. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a couple of hairstyles that you can do with knotless braids. Of course, I washed my hair. This is probably like, what, 3 or 4 weeks? Probably I would say a month old of braids, but actually no, going on 2, I forgot. But anyways, I have a video coming out for you guys. I did my makeup and now this is gonna be the hair video. So yeah, so let's just can you even speak? How many takes do I have to do? Oh my gosh. But anyways, let's just jump right into the video. Oh my gosh, so cringy. So as you can see, you can do half up, half down. This is so cute. I don't know if I want to do this hairstyle for tomorrow for Christmas, but this is my holiday makeup look as well. And yeah, so half up, half down with like 2 pigtails. Let me show you guys the rest. Or you can do like a bun. With 2, let me show you guys. You can do a bun. Ooh, that's kind of cute. I've never worn my hair like this before in braids, but yeah. You could do like a little top bun. Ooh. That's super cute, actually. Wow. Then, okay, you guys. So I'm back. Ooh, it hurts when you have the rubber band method because I had like a tight hair tie and literally I had my hair up and it was so hard to take it out, but it's okay. That's okay though. Ooh. Okay, you guys, I know that I already did my intro, but of course there's some clips that I had to mute in the video because of background noise. But like I said before, I'll be showing you guys like a couple styles. As you can see, like I'm showing like the different styles. Yeah, and this is like everyday like styling look, so you guys can do this like for any type of event or occasion. Yeah, I just wanted to know how was everyone's Christmas or holiday. I hope like this weekend goes good, and the new year goes good as well. Even for me, I hope it goes well. But yeah, guys, sorry I'm being a chatterbox right now, but yeah, I just kind of wanted to talk because like some clips are like obviously muted. So yeah. But love you guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys continue watching the video. Love you. Of course, you guys can do this as well. This is like giving like the Janet Jackson vibes. This is so cute. Yeah. Okay, you can wear it like this. Of course, the natural way down. And yeah, basically back to regular down, like wearing your hair like sideways. Not sideways, what am I saying? Of course, wear your hair like straight down. And yeah. Yeah. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna just put my hair back up in the style that I had it before. And yeah, I'm trying to see how much hair I want to put. But I think I kind of like the up down, the half up half down style. Is so cute. Is that it? Yeah. Yo, braids are literally so thick. Oh my gosh, they're so thick, bro. Literally. I think this was supposed to be inside the guys. And yeah, guys, super duper cute. I love like the curl effect. Like it's so cute. Like the whole like messy look. Yeah, it's giving. But yeah, guys, half up, half down. Here. Okay, you guys, so that was the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I don't remember like how many hairstyles I showed you guys, but I'll count it after the video. And yeah, share this video, comments on it. Yeah, tell people about it. Like, guys, I'm literally feeling cute, looking cute. Oh yeah, and Merry Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas, or Happy Hanukkah, whatever you guys celebrate or believe in. And yeah, happy holidays. Bye, guys. Bye.
I got the block, this